Kamusta kabayan? For today, we are here at Town and Country West Molino 3, Bacoor, Cavite for a new episode of our open house tour. So yung naririnig nyong ingay is may bubong na binubuhat doon sa kabila. And itong nasa likuran ko is a single attached unit na may 4 bedrooms. Pero before we start our open house tour for today, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you're gonna get notified whenever we upload new videos. So by the way, this is Tinyap of Exosia Properties. So tara, simulan na natin ang ating open house tour. Kabayan, this property is facing south at meron itong frontage na estimated 7 meters. So before tayo mag-proceed sa loob, check muna natin ang community. So on my right, ayan, nakita nyo, ito ang inyong neighbors. And then on my left, dito naman, ayan. So dito, may i-construct pa na single attached unit. But for now, syempre, nakaabang pa lang yan. So ito ang available as of the moment. So this property has a lot area of 150 square meter and total developed area of 252 square meters. So look at naman yung kaniyang color combination, very minimalist yung design. Plus meron itong vehicular gate, no? And meron itong pedestrian gate. Plus customize ang kanyang house number at meron siyang outdoor lamps. So, wag natin kalimutan ang doorbell na may concrete na bubong. So tara kabayan, samahan niyo na ako at pasukin natin ang loob. So here is the pedestrian gate and as you can see, the pathway is naka-tiles siya pero non-skid yan and meron tayo ditong side and pocket gardens as well. So elevated ang property na ito kasi may single steps ka dyan and another single step over here. So ito ang porch area, covered yan, and then itong right side is the carport area. So kasya dito, dalawang sasakyan and naka-pebbled na din ang flooring nito. Plus andito yung faucet, no? Faucet para in case maglinis na kayo ng inyong vehicles na hindi na kayo mahihirapan pang kumuha ng tubig. So yan ang source of water ninyo. So this is a single attached unit and gated with fence na yan. So ito ang height ng fence niya and meron itong side garden over here. Naka-pebbled na din yan. So estimated na sa around 2 meters ang setback nito. And meron itong service door na access dito sa ating service area. Kabayan, ayan. And meron itong included na water tank. So, dito pa tayo sa likuran. This is the service area or the utility area. Makita nyo dito, na nalagpasan ko lang siya, meron tayo ditong mga outlets. Ayan. So, as you can see, may naka-note naman na ito ay provision for the washing machine and dryer. So, meron na ring faucet dyan. So, few steps pa dito sa side na to. Ito naman ang lanay area. So, pwede kayo ditong magkaroon ng extension for the dining area kapag meron kayong mga gatherings. Pasok. Our main entrance door, kabayan, is made up of a solid wood and then ang iyong door lock, may keypad na yan. And pakita ko na rin na itong switch box is an original Panasonic na switch box. So the tiles is a 60 by 60 tiles and this part is the living area. And as you can see, yung ating ceiling, may spandrel yan na accent paikot and naka-cove na din yan. So small steps going here. Itong part na meron tayong accent na panel, na WPC panel, this part is the dining area. So yung pinakita ko kanina na pinuntahan natin doon sa may service area, yung side na yon is the lanai, right? So this is the extension. So pwede mong extend yung dining area mo going to the lanay. Kapag meron kang mga visitors, so open mo lang yan. And, yun nga, may kasama na siyang sliding net. Here is the kitchen area, kabayan. Then, itong part na to is the area kung saan pwede mong i-install ang iyong refrigerator. So, kasya naman dyan kahit malaking double door, no? And then, here, meron kang pantry dito sa side na to. And, the kitchen countertop is made up of granite tiles. And you also have here a double bowl na gawa naman yung kaniyang sink sa quartz stone. So, imported naman lahat ng fixtures here. So, meron ka ng pull-out na cabinet. Ayan. And here, isa-isahin ko para sa inyo. Ayan, open natin. So, ganyan yan. Naka-tiles na din yung ilalim. And of course, meron kang hanging cabinet. And here, ang part na to, dito mo ilalagay ang iyong gas range. And yung range hood, may nakaabang na din na butas dito. Ayun, nakaabang na butas. Ang backsplash mo naman here, kabayan, with an accent of like small squares, then a combination color of gray or silver, then black. Ayan. So, meron kang extension dito ng another kitchen counter. Plus overhead. And meron kang base cabinet. Then, dito mo ilalagay ang iyong microwave oven. Here naman is the service door, no? Nung kanina pinakita ko, going there, may access ka papuntang service area. You have a bedroom one here sa ground floor. So, dito pwede ito ang maid's room, pwede din naman for elders, so kasya hanggang single to double size bed. And then, meron ka dito hanging cabinet. And meron kang, of course, may window din syempre. An awning window. Kapag awning window, bubuksan mo ganyan. And then, meron na ding net. So, may abang na din tong room na to sa window or AC. Kapag ipapa-installan nyo, may nakaabang na din naman for that. Then, meron itong access for the common toilet and bath. So, I hope hindi didilim. Pero open na rin natin to. So, complete fixtures yan, kabayan. And, so parang Jack and Jill siya kasi may access yung bedroom 1 going dito. Plus, common nga siya. So, pwede ding makagamit yung mga tao dito, syempre, sa iyong living area. Then, meron kang toilet bowl, meron kang lavatory, meron kang mirror. There. And then, dito sa side na to, meron ka namang shower dyan. Nilakad dito tayo. Here, sa iyong ilalim ng hagdanan, meron itong space pa. Pwede nyo kayong maglagay dyan ng mga other equipments or pwede nyo siyang gawing storage area pa. No? Storage space. So, kabayan, tapos na tayo sa ground floor. Tara at umakit na tayo sa second floor. So, here at the second floor, as you can see, ang ating railings ay naka-glass na yan. Then, ito solid wood. Yung ating thread naman, inaapakan natin dito sa ating staircase is made up of a pitong, which is a solid wood also, by the way. So, tara dito. And, meron tayo syempre malaking window dito. Fixed window yan. Para meron naman syempre in and out of the natural light. So, malalaman mo kung gabi na. Malalaman mo kung umaga. Ayan. And here sa second floor, meron itong total of 3 bedrooms. And every bedroom spacious pa. Meron tayo ditong space. So, pwede ka pa ditong maglagay ng small couch or table, no? Dito sa hallway na to. So, pasukin na natin, kabayan, ang bedroom number 2. So, this is the bedroom number 1. So, pagpasok mo, nandito ang vanity area. And nandito din yung 3-door built-in cabinet. So, kasya dito, if I were to measure, kasya dito hanggang queen-size bed. So, meron itong shared na toilet and bath sa bedroom number 2. So, yan. So, ito yung door na yon. Then, meron itong shower enclosure. Complete fixtures din. Then, from floor to ceiling ang tiles. May pagkabulol pa, no? From floor to ceiling ang tiles. Okay? So, tara at i-check naman natin ang bedroom number 2. So, tara dito at sumunod lang kayo para makita niyo talaga yung actual na sukat ng bahay. So, this is the bedroom number 2. So pagpasok mo, ito yung kanina. So this is the shared toilet and bath sa bedroom 1. So ayan. And then, kasya din of course, kasya hanggang queen size bed, kasyang-kasya dito. Then pakita ko na din na same lang din ng itsura nung cabinet doon sa bedroom 1. So ganyan siya. Yan, di ba? Ang laki. Marami kang mailalagay dyan. Lalo na kung babae ang magkakwarto dito. Nako, pasok na pasok. And then, vanity area. Ayan. So, meron na rin yung pull-out drawer. And then, ang iyong window ay sliding window. Ayan. So, may sliding net na din yan. So, isara natin. So, ito naman yung abang para sa iyong window type na aircon. So, excited na akong ipakita sa inyo ang master's bedroom. So, here is the primary bedroom or the master's bedroom. So, meron pang hindi na-install na mirror dito, pero syempre, i-install din naman yan. So, meron itong accent na wall panel. So, ito ang iyong magiging headboard ng iyong bed. Kasya hanggang king-size bed, of course, dahil master's siya. And then, malaki ang iyong cabinet dito. Ang iyong built-in cabinet ay 4-door. So, ayan. O, di ba? Bongga. Okay, let's close it. Ayan. Ito is the vanity area naman dito sa master's bedroom. And dito sa master's bedroom, this is a suite with toilet and bath. So, naka-non-skid tiles dito, kabayan. And meron syempre kasamang bath tub. So, meron kang toilet bowl, meron kang lavatory, and meron ka ditong copper-free na mirror. Ayan. Shower enclosure, of course. And multi-point na dito yung provision for the hot and cold water. So, meron din itong sliding na window. So, the balcony is accessible here sa master's bedroom. So, malaki din ang balcony mo dito. Then, naka-non-skid tiles. Meron ka ditong vertical element na may accent na black color. And then, ang iyong railings ay steel. Then, ang balustrade ay naka-glass na din yan. So, ayan, kapitbahay mo, mga yan. Ang ganda ng hangin dito. Ayan, kabayan. And flood-free din itong area na. This is the end of our house tour for today, kabayan, for the new episode located here at Town and Country West Mall, Lino Tribaco or Cavite. So kung nagustuhan mo itong video ko na ito, i-like mo naman ito. And of course, i-follow mo naman ako sa aming social media accounts and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is Tina of Exosia Properties. Thank you for watching, kabayan. So mag-viewing ka na. See ya!